As we're seeing crypto start to boom again, then we're going to see the NFT market picking up. And remember, a couple of years ago, we saw the NFT market coming from pretty much nothing to having insanely large trading volumes where people were making hundreds of thousands of dollars in just a week or two from buying and trading NFTs. Now, NFTs typically were on the Ethereum blockchain, but there are also Bitcoin NFTs out there. So in this video, we're going to find out more about Bitcoin NFTs and find out if we can find the next absolutely monster Bitcoin NFT to invest in. Nothing I say on this channel is
financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money.
Let's get into today's video. So before we dive in and do a bit more research into this Bitcoin NFT phase, into this Bitcoin NFT craze that's going to start up soon, in my opinion, let's understand a little bit about what an NFT is from Amazon Web Services over here. NFT, non-fungible token. Non-fungible means non-copyable. Can't basically copy it. And you're like, well, yeah, you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot, but that NFT itself is coded onto the blockchain. So that NFT, although not physical, is kind of unchangeable. You can take a picture of it, but it's not the NFT. It's just a picture of the NFT. Same as you can repaint the Mona Lisa, but it's not the Mona Lisa. You can copy a £5 note in England, and it's not a £5 note. I hope that makes sense. So the process of verifying the ownership of both physical and digital assets is an integral component of most business systems. Furthermore, which is also something that's very important because the NFT technology can exist outside of just artwork, but also be used for legal documents and other things like that. So non-fungible tokens, often referred to as NFTs, are blockchain-based tokens that each represent a unique asset like a piece of art, digital content, or media. An NFT can be thought of as irrevocable digital certificate of ownership and authenticity for a given asset, whether digital or physical. If that makes sense. So effectively, you could also use this selling a physical contract for a house. So having the contract for a house on a blockchain. That doesn't exist right now, but I feel that that is where NFT technology is going to be most useful. Where NFT technology will be most useful in the future. However, there's still great opportunities to make money trading NFTs right now. Now jumping across to OrdSwap, which is a trustless marketplace for Bitcoin NFTs. What do I mean by trustless? It doesn't really require a third party. Effectively, you can go on here and you can sell your NFT and I can go and buy the NFT without anyone else having to come in and verify that trade or anything like that. Effectively, you've uploaded it and then I take it off there without anyone else having to come in and verify it. Very exciting stuff. And if you come down through, you can see these are the NFTs, these pictures. And you're thinking, well, some of these are not amazing, like this one up here. What is this? Well, look underneath. 10 Bitcoin. Right now, the Bitcoin price is sat at $25,000. That means that that NFT, that picture from a child, I believe, is worth $2.5 million. Wrong. It's worth $250,000. So on OrdSwap, you can find all sorts of different collections. So here by clicking collections, I can come down and see all of these different ones. And these are different collections of NFTs, okay? Some of them are made to look like traditional NFTs that you might have found over on OpenSea, which is an Ethereum marketplace like this, which is a cyberpunk. And which is a bit of a take on a Bored Ape Yacht Club. So let's just click on this one here, Punks on Bitcoin. And you see down below that these are 100 items listed here. And then buy now, only one available for this price and then activity. Not much going on that particular collection, but you can look through other collections. Now, if I click on this specific one, you can see that I would have to sign in to buy it, but you can see that there is basically the order total that's occurred on this particular one being at 10 Bitcoin, but target fee being 15. And here's an interesting one as well. The blood bank, trade blood for Bitcoin. Very interesting. Does that mean that you can basically go and give blood, which is obviously a very noble cause and something you should be doing if you are healthy enough to do so? In my opinion, I give blood as regularly as I can. Does that mean that maybe I'm going to start earning rewards in Bitcoin for giving blood? Bit of an incentive to perhaps do that. And if I click on the activity part here, you can see that these are basically all the NFTs that are getting uploaded all the time. And these are a variety of different ones. You can see the price down below. And then you can see many of these look very similar to each other. Okay, but these are obviously of the same collection called Bitcoin Frogs, and then you have a number which is associated with a particular variety of that one NFT. Now, something else that's very cool is if you click on the inscribe thing, you can upload a picture to the Bitcoin blockchain, and then that will turn that into an NFT. So you can mint that onto the blockchain. You can also do a bulk mint, which means you can upload like 10,000 different NFTs and then start selling them to other people. This is something you can achieve fairly easily, and you can do this, and you can go and watch videos on YouTube that are going to tell you how to do this. You can create using AI 10,000 different varieties of a different animal or whatever, kind of like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, maybe not quite as complex as that, but you can definitely do it fairly easily And if not, you can definitely go to fiverr.com to find someone who will do it for you. So worth looking into, because potentially a very good way to make some money if you're a bit short of cash right now. OrdSwap also offers a Discord where you can interact with other people around the world who are interested in OrdSwap NFTs and perhaps the rest of the NFT market and crypto in general if you want to interact with them. So in summary, OrdSwap is a Bitcoin marketplace for NFT trading. There's a huge amount of opportunity moving into the NFT market once the crypto market continues to pick up, and it's starting to do that right now. So this time is getting very exciting, and there's lots of opportunity coming up in the future, in my own opinion. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then do me a favor and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about NFTs, trading, crypto, and much, much more, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.